Think Starlink is the only game in town for global internet from space? Think again. Far above Earth, a silent, high-stakes battle is unfolding. Tech giants, governments, and defense agencies are racing to control the most valuable real estate in orbit: low Earth orbit. Starlink holds a massive head start. Thousands of satellites, near-global coverage, and proven performance. But LEO itself is the real prize. Unlike slow, distant geostationary satellites, LEO delivers low latency, high bandwidth, and resilient global connectivity, essential for modern economies and militaries. Amazon's Project Kuiper is accelerating fast, backed by deep pockets and massive launch contracts. OneWeb is targeting governments, aviation, and enterprise clients through strategic alliances. Meanwhile, players like Telesat Lightspeed, China's Guowang, and Eutelsat are shaping regional and sovereign alternatives. This isn't just about satellites, it's about technology dominance. Phased array antennas, laser inter-satellite links, autonomous operations, and rapid constellation refresh cycles. Reusable rockets/launch costs, while vast ground station networks quietly anchor space-based internet to Earth. Control of LEO means control of communication during crises and wars. It can bridge the digital divide or become a strategic choke point. But the rush also raises alarms: orbital congestion, space debris, and sustainability risks in an increasingly crowded sky. The future won't belong to just one winner. Expect multiple dominant constellations, some global, others specialized. But one truth is clear: whoever controls low Earth orbit won't just shape the internet. They'll shape global power in the decades ahead.